Good day to all our viewers and welcome to the West Spring Bulletin, where we will be sharing our latest news on the West Spring scene.
We are your hosts for today. I'm Iba Shahira.
And I am Kingsley Bird. Thank you for joining us today.
In today's bulletin, we'll be sharing West Spring's updates for those of you who would like to know more about the school, the Spring of the West. We are located conveniently between two LRTs, Senja and Jelapang. We have a slew of buses that ply our route outside. From Bukit Panjang Interchange, we can take 920 and 972. And from Choa Chu Kang Interchange, we have 976.
In other exciting news, we also have our new principal, Mrs. Belinda Chan.
Mrs. Chan joined our school in December 2021, and so far, it has been an interesting journey of introspection and renewal.
As with most new principals, we have had a year full of new learnings and new experiences. Mrs. Chan has come in with a wealth of experience from a previous stint as a teacher, vice principal, and principal. So it's always onward and upward.
Yes, definitely. Let's look forward to some new experiences.
So Eva, what's new about the Applied Learning Program front?
Well, our ALP is in media literacy, specifically effective communication and critical thinking through media literacy. In Secondary 1, we go through a speech module in English where we learn about how to be confident speaking in public, in front of an audience. We get a chance to advocate for a cause we believe in. In Secondary 2, we pick up videography skills to showcase our Bukit Panjang neighbourhood and its sustainability efforts.
Oh yes, I remember having to speak in front of my entire class during Secondary 1. And with the skills that my teachers have imparted, it helped me to gain the confidence and courage to express my opinions, just like how I'm doing it right now.
Yes, it is great that we get such opportunities. I remember interviewing various people, recording them, putting the footage meaningfully together to share with the class. I was so scared that it was going to flop, but it ended up going really well.
I think we all must have picked up a thing or two during the lessons, whether we realized it or not.
Yes, so did we during our Learning for Life program. We learned various skills during our physical education lessons, like sportsmanship, teamwork, and resilience, or STAR for short.
Oh, I remember the interclass games and the OBS that we had to participate in, supporting and cheering on one another in order for us to gain the confidence and courage to cross them.
I'm pretty sure everyone is looking forward to it.
I know I am. I'm really looking forward for CCA to come back to full swing.
Yes, the last couple of months, as we started the CCAs again, I think everyone has been enjoying themselves so much more.
Oh yes, I agree. Our sports team have been participating in the National School Games. Our football team has achieved second in the zone, and our shooting team is one of the very best in the entire country.
Our uniform groups are not to be outdone. Our NPCC and NCC attained the Gold Unit Proficiency Award, and our guides won gold for the Puan Nur Aisyah Award as well.
Wow, we are a force to be reckoned with. Despite muted activities over the past 2 years, we have managed to maintain our standards.
Well, we are a choice school in Bukit Panjang, so while we play hard, we work hard as well. And that's why our academic performance over the years have been quite impressive. Did you know that 93.1% of the O-level cohort last year attained at least 5 GCE O-level passes, with 68.6% of them being eligible for entry into junior colleges?
That's fantastic! Congratulations to them!
And the teachers. Without them, I don't think these results would have been attained.
Yes, we do have a caring set of teachers, always willing to spend time to help and guide us.
Yes, I am so glad that we are here in West Spring Secondary School, where we are being nurtured into ladies and gentlemen of character and learning.
So why not join us here as we shape our character, engage in learning, and touch lives?
If you have any questions, swing by our school website at www.westspringsec.edu.sg or check out our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
We are from the Speech and Drama Club. Thank you for joining us.
Goodbye.